If you are looking to build a website, but you think it's a little too tough or you don't know coding, don't worry. I have a drag and drop solution that you can use to create something really easy. Stay tuned, I'm going to talk about it coming up. Hi, I'm Eric Miner, and like I said, I have a drag and drop solution that could be great for you. It's actually WordPress based, and it is called Elementor. Now, if you have a WordPress, I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to install Elementor along with a theme called Ocean WP. So stay tuned for that, but if you don't have a website and you're looking to get into it, then I can also help you with that. If you stay tuned to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a special offer that could save you a lot of money on web hosting and get you online for about the price of a cup of coffee every month.
Alright, so we're going to get started here, and basically what you're looking at is the dashboard screen of WordPress. This is what you're going to see whenever you first log in. What we're going to start off by doing is installing the Elementor and Ocean WP theme. So we're going to get started here by going down to the Appearance and Themes menu. So when you go there, you'll see the list of themes that you have already. These are by default. What we want to do is click on Add New Theme. And usually what I do here is I just go up to Search Themes, type in Ocean WP, and when you do that, you will see the Ocean WP come up here, and you can just simply click Install. If for some reason it doesn't come up, you can actually go to the oceanwp.com website and download the zip file and upload that directly using this Upload Theme button over here. But since it shows up in the menu, all you have to do is click on Install, and we'll let that install and activate it as soon as it does install. And once it is installed, the Activate button lights up, and you can click on that, and it will activate the theme for you. Now you'll notice up here towards the top, you'll see it says this theme recommends the following plugins: Elementor and Ocean Extra. I like to just click Begin Installing Plugins here. If for some reason you don't click that, you can also go under Appearance where it says Install Plugins. Without these two plugins, we cannot use the theme as it's intended. So now that we're at the Install Required Plugins, you just want to check both of these, go up to Bulk Actions, click Install, and hit Apply. Now what that's going to do is it's going to run through the process of installing and activating both plugins. So we're just going to let that go through. Alright, so it goes through this process, and there are a couple warnings here. These really have never caused any issues with me anytime before, and I've used Elementor on a number of different sites. So once you have that, you're going to see all plugins installed and activated successfully, and just click on Return to the dashboard.
So, like I said, WordPress based is what Elementor is, and it's a really simple project, and just going to show you quickly kind of what it looks like when you open it up. As you can see, there are a lot of different options that you can choose from, whether it be a title, a heading, there are icon lists, there are video backgrounds that you can put in these websites. And it's easy. I have built a couple websites within just a few hours. For example, in the description below, you'll notice there is a link for breeze.vacations. That's a domain that I had registered, and I decided I'm just going to put a sample on it. I built that in one sitting, and it's very nice and sophisticated. It has the video background, the nice overlay, the logo on top, and some information there on how you can contact people. Elementor is great whether you're building a website or a blog or a store. It actually will integrate in with a program called WooCommerce, and it will allow you to build a really nice web store. If you just have a few items here and there that you want to sell, it's a great solution because Shopify can actually cost you $30 or more a month, depending on what features you want. Whereas this is completely free. You might pay a fee to PayPal or whoever, does your transactions with your credit cards, but the actual extension, the add-on itself, is 100% free. And if you do decide to get the pro version, it runs $49.99 per year. That's for one website. It includes all updates. They are always updating the system, and it includes full support. So if you have an issue with it, you can contact them and they can help guide you through it. Now, I am working on a tutorial for the Elementor, so I can take you from scratch designing it. I will be posting those videos in the Elementor playlist as I make them and produce them. So if you want updated on that, click on the subscribe button. You'll get notifications whenever I post new stuff in there. And if you're looking to build from scratch and you don't have any coding knowledge and you're really not tech savvy, it could be a great solution for you. As I said in the beginning, if you don't have hosting service, you don't have a .com, I can help you with that because I actually am in charge of a very small hosting company called hostingmine.net. You can go to hostingmine.net, and I have a special offer. It's only for people watching this video. The link is in the description down below. It'll take you to a page. This page is not linked anywhere else on the site, nowhere in my social media, nowhere. Just right here. What this deal is you'll get 1 year's worth of hosting plus your domain is included in the price. It is $39.99 per year. So if you're doing the math on the $39.99, that's just about $3.34 a month. That includes a .com. It's only available with a .com domain, but that's the most common domain anyways. So how it works is simple. You just go over to hostingmine.net in the link down below, add that to your cart, and when you add it to your cart, it will let you know during the checkout process that you're eligible for a free domain, which then you can click on add and search for the domain that you're looking for. Now, because the price is so low, I don't offer it on a monthly basis. You have to pay for it a year in advance because it comes with the free domain, and domains are registered yearly. But if you need help setting it up, or you need help working with your WordPress website when it is set up, I will help you every step of the way. If you have any more questions about this offer, you can always email me at eminer@hostingmine.net, or you can reach out to me on Twitter at EricMinerMedia. So I want to thank you for watching this one. If you're interested in Elementor or you've used Elementor, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget about that special. There are only 50 of those that are going to be sold. Once they're gone, they are gone. No more coming back. And it's a special offer only for this video. So I want to thank you for watching this one. Remember, you can subscribe if you want to see even more videos on how to make money online or how to build websites. And remember, get out there, create some content, and mine it.